Hello everyone. So today is 3rd of October and I hope you had a wonderful FinNifty expiry. So one trade was also shared here. That is a perfect reversal was shared in FinNifty. So this reversal was shared just at the bottom. We bought it at 62 and the price went to 111. Okay. So even those who missed, later on I also told them that still there is a chance, and that also gave 20% return. Okay. So I hope my analysis is helping you, and if you think my analysis are working perfectly, and if you want such trades in the future, so don't forget to put a like. And also talking about this trade that we took on 22nd September, that is the 5th September, we did this call writing, took this call writing positions at 19,060, 19,600. So 43,000 was the capital required for one lot to short, and you see the maximum profit was almost 11,000, and today it was giving almost 9,000 profit. So I closed it, and yeah, but looking at the EOD data, I see that I shouldn't have closed. So anyways, the main point being here is that if you took 10 lots which requires for 4 lakh 30,000, so 4 lakh 30,000 in just 7 trading days, it's giving you 20%, which is like almost 90,000. So it's a very good return. Okay, so that was the trade which I closed. So yeah, that was, sorry for that. Yeah, so that was the trade I closed, and the next thing is that let's go to the members Telegram group. So yes, this is the same Telegram channel, guys. So coming to today's analysis, so here today in the morning we bought calls. As I told you that I saw some call buyers active, and big call buyers active, and so bought calls, and but market was in a tight range, so I had to close it at 19% profit. And then I also told that both the sides even writers are present. So what happens is that writers are present, and between they run this option algo buying. Okay, so that's what I was catching. And even in this, like you saw that today it was mostly for the writers and it was mostly for the non-directional players, but still I captured 3 option buying trades by the big guys, and all 3 went profit, one giving a perfect reversal from the bottom. So that was the first one, and the second one was here. I saw some again put buyers active, took it, but the move was not coming. 30 bought at 35 and then at 39, but the average was 37, but the move was not coming, so closed it at 40. But just I closed, and then there was a sharp fall, and the price went. This was the candle, so sharp fall, and the price went more than like 55 or something. But anyways, no regret. So when this fall came, I took this advantage. Like I saw that, like I even told here that if you look at the time here, that FinNifty will be going up. Where did it go? For yeah, so yeah, finally things can go up for FinNifty, and then 1340 just at the bottom, 19,650 CE, bought at 62. Okay, so just at the bottom, like this candle, if you see so I saw that this candle was stabilizing, and thus went and bought 19,650 CE at 62. Even mentioned this on Twitter, as you all know here. Okay, so the thing is that after that this should I mean, it was a perfect reversal caught at the bottom, and it shoot up to 110, and but I played safe and closed it at 85 anyways. So even for the Twitter members also, like when I posted, the price was already above like when I was going to post that I closed, so the price was already above 96. So I said that whenever you're comfortable, so just close if you have taken any trade based on that, but still not recommended. It's just analysis from my part. So coming to the other thing that yes, then the next we did this put writing. Okay, so 3 option buying and 1 option selling. So put writing 17,000 19,750. This is not CE, so I said it's PE. So shorted at 35 because the put writers were present at 19,750. Okay, and closed it finally at 17. So that was the overall thing. And if you want such analysis, you can be a part of the derivatives indicator group, and yes, where you'll get access to these indicators. So the indicator in the morning here, they were like, if you see here, score was negative, but then the score came up, and the whole then it was a tight range, and like here it was showing some strength. So if you look at the chart, you'll better understand that here, that is, it was showing strength, and then you know that Nifty tried to go up a little, but here there was a gap created, and the score, which is the red one, went up, and Nifty had to go up again. There was a gap created, and finally like Nifty had to come down, but finally like okay, let's also see for Bank Nifty as well. So Bank Nifty, see, the final gap is showing that Bank Nifty should come down, but throughout the day, if you notice the score, so it was almost neutral. Okay, and talking about this thing, that is Nifty. So the levels 19,472 and 19,506, which were already discussed in the past, so it took support there. So there's a high chance still, like as I said in the last video, 19,250 is still open, and once 19,472 breaks, so then we can see some sharp fall. And for Bank Nifty, so this is Bank Nifty. If you look at here, these levels were discussed, 44,288. Bank Nifty came there, took support, and this was the range for support where it took support last time as well here. So this is where it's taking support. Once it breaks, then the next level is at 43,940. So then you can take the full advantage of this, because there is a huge gap, and even if that breaks, then you have 43,590. Okay, so these levels, you know, they very well work out. And talking about the other data, so FIIs have sold, and let's go to the option chain. So option chain, if you look at here, that is that is the put writers, they are closing heavily. Okay, and here the call writers are coming into action, and also some put buying has been done today. I'm coming to that. And talking about Bank Nifty as well. So yeah, so if you look at Bank Nifty, so Bank Nifty also, if you see, huge call writing has been done, but if you look at in the money, put writers are closing, but even in the out of the money, so not much call writers are present. Majorly like put buying has been done there. And also not only that, like even if you look at Nifty, let's go to the next week. Okay, so even if you look at next week, so these OI that you see, so those are mainly done as buying. Okay, so put buying, which I have tracked. Even if you go here, that is October series, monthly. Okay, so month end, even if you notice here that 5.6 lakhs contracts that you see, so those are mainly buying. Okay, so please be very, very careful. And yes, so mainly put buying has been done today by the FIIs, and those are the ones where they have bought. So coming back to the EOD data, so if you look at the EOD data here, that is this put okay, so someone told me to expand these while showing. So anyway, so this thing, that is, if you see here, the FIIs, they haven't done any I mean almost negligible put writing, but heavy put buying has been done. And also they have, some of the FIIs also have done call buying. So this call buying, I think it's mainly for the hedging purpose of these huge future short. So FIIs have done huge future short, but still the prop decks, I don't know why the confusion. They are confused. They are not creating fresh positions in in futures. But yes, FIIs, they are heavily like shorting futures. And talking about this thing, that is, they have also bought calls. So temporarily, let's see, we must be careful that as I showed you, that majorly like in I mean the put buying has been done in the monthly option chain as well as the next week. But the thing is that these call buying, either there are two ways. Like this week, there can be like, again, the bears could be hunted with the help of these call buying, and or else what could happen is that these call buyings are purely done for hedging of the futures short positions. Okay. And talking about even the call writing position, so not much call writing by the FIs if you can see, but yes, the prop decks, they have done call writing. Heavy call writing has been done by the prop decks, and also put writing has been done somewhat by the prop decks. And talking about the other data, that is, yes, this call buying has been done to hedge their positions. That is the call writing, heavy call writing positions, as well as like some prop decks, they have bought puts because this is a little bit more amount required for the hedging of these put writing amount. But yes, prop decks, they are a little bit confused for the time being. And talking about their positions in options, so it's overall call writing, they are bearish, but they are not heavily bearish. Okay, but FIIs, yeah, they are heavily bearish in options, as well as they are bearish in futures as well. Okay, but only one confusion is there, whether these call buying that they have done are mainly for the hedging purpose, or they're going to take the market up this week. Okay, so for that you have to capture the signals. Okay, so live market, how I capture these signals of the big guys, what they're doing, so that you have to capture. Okay, and that will give you the perfect direction. But for now, if you don't want to take risk this week, so what you can do is like go into the monthly option chain. If you are a writer, go into the monthly option chain and just write. Okay, so suppose let's go to 26th October. Okay, so if you go here 19,700, you see you're getting 150 rupees premium. So almost like this week expiry is done. Okay, so another 3 weeks will be left. So in those 3 weeks, it's like a good return. I mean, it's a huge return if you can eat all those premiums. Okay, so for the writers, it's a very, very good opportunity. But for the buyers, if you want to buy now, you can buy it. But if market comes up, then you have to keep additional money so that you can average out your position, because finally things are looking very bearish and they will go down. But you see that now EOD data is out, everyone will shout that put buying tomorrow. So we have to see whether the big guys are also going with their put buying or are going with their call buying and removing the bears before going down. Okay, so that's the overall analysis. And yeah, I mentioned all the levels and everything. So if you think my analysis are helping, so please don't forget to put a like. And those who are new here, if you want such live market analysis, then you can be a part of the derivatives indicator. You can follow me on Twitter. And if you want such analysis as in the Telegram group, so you can be a part of the derivatives indicator group, where you get the access to the money flow indicators as well as a complimentary access to the Telegram channel. And please do share the video among the other traders so that they can also take the benefit of it and help me to grow. And yeah, so thanks for watching, keep watching and keep learning and trade safely. See you in the next one.